Did you know that an Asian elephant is tall as 11 feet tall and weighs 13,000 pounds? Today I'll be talking about the Asian elephant. An Asian elephant has many characteristics. An Asian elephant is brown and has small ears. An Asian elephant lives in diverse habitats. An Asian elephant lives in the savanna and it has dirt and trees. Additionally, Asian elephant eats different types of food. Asian elephant eats plants, roots, grass, and fruit. Asian elephants have unique adaptations. Asian elephant uses a trunk to breathe and drink water. The next time you see an Asian elephant, you will know it's an Asian elephant because it has small ears.